bwatinze hari uri mu mazi uko mureba naye niko ndeba se kwedatangira cyane byandambiye kwihutishije filime igatangira tangira hakuno hari uwazaga hano baza ari ikiwe house cyangwa kigarara gishaje udamatambuka gutyo. Red Star avugaga Red Star kuri site asa nk'ari majyepfo witegure haro babwiraga araka Scott Harkins yitonza vayo hari umudamu atambukaga witwa Red Star tanya muri Kiev Ukraine imyaka 12 ishize imyaka 12 imbere yuko Uburusiya bukora iki mukanure cyane. Stepanenko yarahageze.
Wait a second.
Buretse akanya hari utwa Stepanenko uparitse imodoka ngo Red Star baje guhura mwanda mudamu aravuga ikirusiya tanga agapapuro.
Stepanenko is not alone.
Stepanenko ntabwo ari wenyine kubera sasu hano barashe imodoka fajya n'umudamu bamarasa mugongo binawe yivanga mu ntambara.
Red Star is down.
Red Star arashwe nyene bufasha fajya mu gituza nawe tangira kubaza ko barashe ku mudamu ko filime itangiye by the legacy of lies kubwa Sankara bazaniza umwaka we kureba hejuru murasaga ciyo nije mu kibisi gishaje gasa hejuru manu wa mbere. Red Star baramarashe bamwibaga kapu kuri kizi kigaba amasasu nacabona uva mwana agira vuba backup nagire boze nona shaka ibijyanywe.
Okay.
Desano yewe
It's me.
ni jewe Martin.
Okay.
Sa umeze neza
You stay in the car.
bakora cyane guma mu modoka nusohoke bande n'abari wateye ni bandi boy kayajwe yiswe Martin. Kigabo kiri hakuno ndi hakurya bari muri junkyard hano hari imodoka bishaje arangije umuhanga hano ari ibikwasteri ajya hejuru azamushakira hasi undi ari hejuru yitonze maze ndore bari muri Ukraine muri Kiev asasu we cyagataga baraga poka hasi ndangije karega twagikapo aragifata nya faya faya nari bavana y'umukobwa
Lenya Sonko.
baravuga ikirusiya
Throw Mizembek.
nagira ku gakapu ufite
Go.
reka umukobwa agende
Слышишь, что я тебе говорю?
sana agakapu nonaha
When you let it go.
nutanaga agakapu ntabwo muguhereza
Just listen to me, alright? You let it go.
nyumva neza reka umukobwa
The
agende
end of it.
tubirangize neza
But if you do not, you are a dead man.
kandi nutabikora nawe uri umupfu
Throw me the fucking
hereza igikapu urubavu ngo bari serious
fucking back!
zana igikapu kugira ngo abyemere amupasa amukubita sampo y'isasu mu rubavu urabyemeye ko ndi serious ndamumena ubwonko avayo agakapu sinzi harimo iki hey zana agakapu
No, давай!
kanage akanaze kumbe yarotaga nibyo yibukaga wari umunsi umwe barakwereka muri Peckham London uyu munsi present day. Wa mugabo ari muri Crane ibere yakora muri London. Jakuno
20 minutes.
You're makumyabiri. Uriteguye. Kana karaporeza.
The hell is that?
Jonebiki.
Avocado salad.
Salade zirimo avoka.
I'm detoxing.
Ndimo detoxinga.
Detoxing what for? You're 12.
Ari mu detoxing ufite imyaka 12. Kwa kundi kuramo ibiyobyabwenge.
Clean out your whole body.
Oya detox ni ugusukura umubiri wawe wose nta kintu kiwangiza.
Everything changes for the better.
Erete ko ubuzima bw'ubuhinde bushaka ubyiza birenzeho. Ibyo mvuga. Baje kumbari mugabo nakana.
I'm boring you.
Umbaba nakurambiye.
You're so sweet, huh?
Ni cyukwere cyuvuze pasheri.
Never mind.
Ntubigire ikibazo.
Listen. It's Richie May.
Ase umva Richie May.
He's got the range but you got the power.
Afite utekinika ariko ufite imbaraga.
He's really tricky.
Akanda afite kuna gutricking iyo muhanganye.
He's going to keep you dancing at the end of his jab.
Ingumeza naguri buzukwepe.
Create.
Cyane cyane amaguru.
Bide your time.
Akana karamuye simaza ajya mu mirwano bakunguka amafaranga kana karakubwira ati ndwanya umuhanga zifite tekinika ariko ufite imbaraga kandi imbaraga si ibirayi.
I'm gonna do what I always do, okay?
Mwana ndakora ibyo sanzwe nkora nabindi.
Smash straight through.
Ndamushyira hasi muhondagure.
I think that will work,
Don't
Dad.
you worry about
Basi ngombe cheka.
to me.
Mwana anje bindekera ibindi. Kira amafaranga ugenda ushetere. Uri sure?
Sure. Anyway, what is this? 20 questions? Go on.
Uwo mwana ibibazo birenze 20 nawe genda ushete ugaruke. Isara zana gahondagura nakana kambetingira bakunguka. Sene ndwanyi kuri bwati. Ubukene si ikintu. Mwana injira hakuno. Sasa bwata z'amabandi by'abindi bya under age ngo ari munsi ya 18 ntemereye kwinjira hano nibihari.
2.8 for the bull. You're kidding me. Richie May won the last K1 Grand Prix.
Richie niwe nsheteye.
He kicked
Kanga gushetera se.
Shit out of the fly and almost choked Gary Newman.
Namusheteye kandi no bushiza namusheteye ndatsinda.
Oh, he should be way over 3.
2.8
Buri niwe nshaka ko atsinda.
it is.
Akubiye kabiri n'ibice 8. Amache 50.
Oh, you're a real high roller, aren't you?
Kabe suri mazamura ibice cyane, sibyo?
Here's 500.
Sakira 500. Nitwa Richie May niwe nsheteye. Gasheteye utwa Richie May niwe gashiriyo. Ise narangira kubitamo zaga. Mu Rwanda hakuno imbaraga nizo zikora. Ukayacura yabwe. Tayare. Kana kaza hakuno. Kaje gufana se. Akana kasheteye utwa Richie May kandi se akabonga kamushete. Se injira ring. Uriteguye nawe uriteguye. Muhondagurane sha. Sasa ano imbaraga nizo zikora. Ukabana ibyo urarira. Tayare. Bagabo mini ndwanyi. Ewe. Baragundagurana. Kana viyo ko bamwishe nta namusheteye. Kana kabwiye se.
Hey, Maker!
Yeah, Mecca. Yeah. Kabwiye se ngufite imbaraga ari kuri afite tekinike. Muzahe. Yapurika. Ibirayi. Bandi ni tekinike. Byanyabyo. Kigabo kirakomeye.
He's got the range. Move your legs.
Umva akoresha amaguru yawe papa. Mugabo arabangutse. Tayari. Mugabo. Mushyira hasi. Mugabo niyumva arakomeye. Papa. Warwana. Reba neza. Warwana. Hareba ijisho bare. Tarabari bari menya nimara futura so ku ruhande. Papa. Mwarekeye.
It's time to stop!
Cyogeje cyo kurekera. Tata we. Parika nabi. Tewe tata we. Bana makarinda menyo. Nabi tabaye ibyo. Mangu barariye koko. Tayari. Hey. avayo amangumi baramukomye koko.
You alright?
Meze neza. Ameze neza. Moko uratsinze rata.
Better luck next time.
Ubutaha rwose musore wowe uzitegure neza.
Fuck is that?
Ibyo ni ibiki mwana ba?
Did you bet against me?
No, ntago washetengeye washeteye undi.
I tried to warn you.
Nagwaye gasopo ntago ugishoboye kurwana urabyihata. Nasheteye undi ko ari butsinde. May Richie yagukomye.
I don't know what's been up with you lately.
Sinzi ibyo maze iminsi urimo.
You've just not been focused.
Ntago ugitekereza ku kazi kawe ko kurwana. Abandi babyukira mu mwitozo ubyukira mu ibaro ujya kumangurutse. Liz. Ndagana ketwe ka Liz. Kubera ubukene ise nayi job. Kubyukira muri tiza nabyo nta kibijya bajya mu icupa. Kumbe hakuno. Dore bituma mukasirwa nta bindi. N'udufaranga duce abonye no kujya muri byeri na za congo. Fata ku mwako. SK.
Street light,
Karaga umuhumetso.
sing a little higher. My mind,
Mazina kubeshye mwumva.
this time gonna run a little faster.
Udotera afite nimba umugore yaragiye ntumbaze. Akana gasigiraho ibya nijoro nawandi akaruhukira hakuno. Ntago nashoye amafaranga nashoye nayo nakozemo aritere. Ubundi amaguru pfa kuba afite nkora korose na aritere. Sende bampata mangumi tayari. Business nagiteze guhomba. Kana kibereye hakuno. Kaba kishushanyiriza. Tayari. Bitonze. Mana nshaka kureba mu maso ijana itara. Kumbi itara. Yikangamo yibuka ibindi. Hari umuntu bazaga yucunda amubwira ashaka kumureba mu maso.
Are you alright?
Umeze neza shini. Tera hirya gira hirya. Tongo.
Sorry.
Koko utantwaretse.
Go alright, just go.
Umva mama reka ndeka ntuzi. Ko shini.
I'm sorry. I don't.
Kabare.
Fucking leave.
Wavuye hejuru ku muntu wabayite.
Alright.
Sawa. Abagore batabwiwe nabi ni bumva. Karyama hakurya. Maze ndanivumbuye. Umuntu sawa rama yarahageje. Twagera ni business yari yashoye nawe ngazunguka. Ayo wamaye wari muri ampombya. Ajya ni duka. Hakuno. Muzehe mu gitondo ni imbunda yi. Nta ubura hagangika cyangwa sabari. Amasaha yavuye mu mirwano yifatira kabunda. Twatangiye filime arimo arasana n'abantu muri Kiev, muri Ukraine.
Ready?
Niteguye.
Remember what I told you.
Wibuke ibyo nakubwiye.
Dad, I've been thinking. You like it here, right?
Papa se gutyo bishaka.
It's alright.
Sawa.
I'm tired of moving all the time.
Papa nyinambiye guhora twimuka.
I think we should settle down here.
Ndakeka twagumana tugaturiza hano.
Open a restaurant or something.
Dushaka restaurant dufungure dukore business fatika cyangwa ikiri kintu. Urabitekereza iki? Kana gatoza kurasa buri munsi.
You know what I think, Liz?
Liz byo nekerezo urabizi.
I think we should keep moving. You know?
Ndakeka twakomeza tukagenda
That's
twimuka.
why we do it, right? Me and you.
Je nawe tugakomeza twimuka tugenda buri hamwe ko turi ikipe.
Team.
We are team.
But why?
Kubera
Look, you're not concentrating, are you?
uzi guturiza hamwe.
Remember what I said about aiming the gun?
Urabuka ibyo nakubwiye ngo ugitekereza ku mbunda.
Use these gun sights to aim.
Ujye ureba hano inyuma ku muhumetso w'imbunda.
Right? You
Sibyo?
don't the target. Target's in the background.
Target ni iri inyuma.
You got it, but it's these.
Hano inyuma ni urebeye neza.
Come on, you know what to
Ni mugufa kasinga ukarasa. Sawongera urasirindi rimwe.
I want to start school this fall.
Papa nashaka kwinjira mu ishuri. Shaka gutangira kwiga. Akararasa. Nikabyitaye.
Not concentrating, are you?
Ase kutita kubyo urimo akora Liz.
Dad, I have to think about my future.
Papa ndimo shaka gutekereza hazaza.
I have to have a profession.
Ngomba kugira akazi gafatika.
Well, you want an office job? Come
Shaka kujya mu biro. Mwana we. Sibyo mvuga.
I could be like a writer or an artist.
ndashaka kuzaba umwanditsi w'ibitabo cyangwa umuhanzi.
Oh yeah, that's just what the world needs is another artist.
Ibyo ni byo ikeneye cyangwa
Begging on the street for money. Oh please, please pay me. Pay me
ubusabasabiriza ku muhanda bose ntibabaye usasikiye abajya nacyo ni ikizigizima mu mutwe.
to express my innermost thoughts. I've always told you, Lise. You need to be independent.
Icyo nagusabye umwana ni ukuba independent ukimenya.
Don't have to rely on anyone else.
Hatagira undi muntu rwose urangamirizaho.
But to be independent, I have to have skills.
Ariko kugira ngo mbe independent nuko ngomba kuba ubumenyi.
You got plenty of skills.
Mwana wanjye ufite ubumenyi buhambaye utanaza ahubwo.
Taught you everything you need to know.
Nagutoje ibyo ugomba kubuzi.
After this summer, I'm starting school.
Papa nyuma y'iyi sama njye rwose ngomba kujya ku ishuri.
That's it.
Kandi ko bimeze. Barabana na nyina nta kepfo ka ruguru sibye se. Ise nawe nijoro kubitabanga costume. Ana makuru na yandi Skuratov n'umugore we muri New York baharasiwe niyo nkuru iraca kuri televiziyo kuraba amakuru. Bitwa ko abarusiya barasuye muri New York na yindi nkuru iracongara abarusiya babiri umugore n'umugabo barasuye muri New York kuraba amakuru. Mwana ngiye mu kazi.
Liz, be back later, okay?
Ngiye mu kazi.
Pizza in the oven.
Mwagusigiye pizza muri oven.
Do you ever listen to anything I say? I'm detoxing.
Papa ariko jya wumva nkubwira nawe shaka ibintu byo kubyo harimo na detoxinga. Nahinduye imirire. Ngo wakuno mu kazi ni bahunsa. Buri abantu badakunda ko nawe akazi karabo uzajya ugaterura ibyuma ukababahunsa ukaba utabudahembwa. Hano abarwana mu mbari. Nirwana. Kimwe cyo mukome ngumi. No mu bahunsa kabisa na n'umujinya. Yebo. Ubu bahunsa nungukiza abantu suku Rwanda. Mate. Bani binaga ari byo.
You want to please turn up here again?
Shaka police tangize mu kazi kacu wakubise mukiriya. Bakize batandukane wikomereza ukukora akazi.
Listen to me.
Nyumva neza.
Get your shit together.
Imihari yawe ujye uyigumana uranyumva. Ntukazane ibibazo by'uwaye mu rugo nguze gukubita abakiriya. Niba barwanye bakize bigarukiraho. Simple as that. Kumbe hano.
Okay. Next.
Okurikira iyo binjiye hakuno barabasaka.
Anger management.
Martin kaza kana muzizi nakangaka ko.
Pass on the tray.
Zana hano agasaka mekaye ngusaka. Tinje zane bimogi bitemewe.
Did you know that anger is always preceded by feelings of pain?
Ase ujutabangamirwa no kumva uburibwe budasanzwe mu mubiri.
I think you should probably mind your own business, don't you, love?
Wa mukobwa yabyakaye byiza urebye byakuzanye ukare kumbaza byinshi.
Next.
Undo kurikira.
We are in the same business. We need to talk.
Ahubwo nyine turi muri business imwe dushatse twanavugana. Ikavuga byinshi karigendera. Hazi ngo ni kande. Gasiga hano karanga mu rukako. Gafite imbunda. Kakabari Martin akoramo. Martin ari mbakiriya. Hari umuntu ataje kofi wa mukobwa. Waje mwango duhuje akazabwo dukeneye kuvugana azamushakisha. Beatons. Kobwa ibereye hakuno arimo aranywa amangurutsa.
You got this?
Harakanu yibagiwe.
Be a bit more careful with my belongings if I was you, Miss Stepanenko.
Ati wa mukobwa bibaye byiza wagicunga ibintu byawe, Madame Stepanenko. Kobwa no Umurusiya.
Interesting name, that. What is it?
Izina itangaje niki?
Russian?
Uri Umurusiya?
Ukrainian.
Ndi Ukrainian.
You do remember my father, Igor,
Ese papa yitwaga Igor uramwibuka?
don't you?
Sibyo?
You worked with him.
Wakoranaga na data
The Gazette?
kuri gazete.
Kiev 12 years ago?
Uribuka imyaka 12 muri Kiev.
He told me you were the best investigative reporter he'd ever met.
Ati yarazi ko uri umunyamakuru rwose uzi gushaka inkuru ukazimuhegezaho. Mwarakoranye.
I think you might have me confused with somebody else.
Waye muko wasanga wananyibeshyo. Karangije.
This was taken on my father's cell phone.
Ati ifoto yaturutse muri telefone ya data.
It was taken just a few days before he died.
Iyi foto bayikuye muri telefone ya data iminsi mike mbere yuko apfa. Akira hano.
My father,
Uyu ni data.
His colleague Olga.
Ni mushite Olga.
And this is you.
Uyu ndakeka ari wowe. Yarake akanyango nawe aziranye na se. Isare kungwaga ko bwarishwe. Yitwaga Egol.
How'd you find me?
Wamenye gutahundi.
I'm a journalist.
Ndi umunyamakuru.
Just like my dad.
Nkuko datana yari umunyamakuru.
What do you want?
Ushaka iki?
My father's mission is mine now.
Mission ya data ubu yabaye yanjye.
Nothing has changed since he died.
Nta cyahindutse nubwo data yapfuye.
Have you seen the latest news?
Wababonye amakuru mashyashya?
Look, what happened to your father? That was a tragedy, but
I need
Ibyabaye kuri so.
help to get the files.
Nkeneye kubona ibya byandiko. I need your help to get the files. Shaka umfashe kugira ngo n'ibyandiko data yasize. Sinzi n'ibyandiko ubwoko ki? Muga bakiraho. Jahasi. Arabaza nyimuna muri bwate. Hobari. Gakogwe maza kari guhigwa. Kiswe Sasha. Stepanenko. Mati nagacikisha. Muri bwate. Asasu byanyabyo we. Bijiri gikoni. Abacugusa mwegereye ibintu byakomeye hanze. Yenda batega ibyo batega. Hey, filmira. Yawe. Yavuye mu kazi. Yebera bounce bagiye gutuma gasubiramo. Mukobwa ngware ibyandiko byase ata publishings. Mukobwa ashaka gushyira hanze. Sinzi n'ibyandiko bwoko ki. Sasha yajamagara gakobwa. Gitonzi kimunda kuraho ibikumwe arakinaga. Tagira umenye ko ari warashe. Za hakuno tahiwe. Yitonze kazamaze imyaka 10 ninga avuye mu umukobwa wawe umugabo yakoreraga anataka amusaidie bagere ku mafile ayashire ku karubanda. Fata inkoni ya baseball. Zinkoni zirakomera shawo. Yitonze turore kugira hana kana kararyamye Ekaliz muryango wundi ndawo kinguye turore kugera ha Martin
You old fox.
Ha rameze nka kera kabisa nyuma nanyu mugeze mu rugo
Been a long time.
cyari igihe kirekire mwana tutabonana Labana sanze bageze mu rugo iwe.
What's going on, Trevor?
Trevor nibiki byambere
Old lady throw you out again, or
mugore mukecuru yakwereje cyangwa
CIA starting another war?
cyangwa CIA igiye gutangira intambara Central Intelligence Agency.
Just craving a little chit chat with an old buddy.
Man, nta no kuganira mo nk'unshuti ya kera utangiye guti uzazana akazi. Mundi wakicaye. Charira tuganire. Fata umunyate wangu. Kanda amazi tuganire.
So you found the beer?
Mwabonye na byeri.
John Edwards.
Barita John Edwards ngengora MI6 ubutasi bw'abongereza.
MI6. Heard a lot about you.
Nakumvishe byinshi.
You're bleeding.
Urimo rava amaraso mwana.
Oh, don't worry.
Ntugire ikibazo.
Serious, just a little.
Nemyo nisanzwe.
Humor comes and goes.
Irazi kagenda.
Just can't seem to find the time to schedule the surgery though.
Ntago ninzemo n'umwanya wo kuba najya kwibagisha.
Can't be too careful.
Kwibagisha vuba nabyo nasibye byiza biraho.
Want to tell me what you're doing here in the middle of the night?
Mwambwira icyo mukorana muri iki gicuku.
Alrighty, let's get down to it.
Sawa sawa reka dutanye tubiganiro nabyo.
We're here because of your little tete-a-tete with that cute reporter. What exactly
Twajana kubw'inkuru idasanzwe yawe nuriya mukobwa w'umunyamakuru.
did you two discuss?
Ubundi hagati yawe nuriya mukobwa w'umunyamakuru Sasha. Mwaganiye iki?
I don't know what to tell you, Trevor.
Since cyo kubwira Trevor.
I'm a bouncer.
Nje munabaye bounce akazi nakavuyemo.
You know, part of the job description is you got to talk to people.
Niwe wana nubu sinyivugana n'abantu twakoranaga kuko nakavuyemo nitangiye ubuzima busanzwe.
When you quit MI6,
Ubwo bavaga muri MI6
we had an agreement.
twarumvikanye had an agreement.
You don't mess with our business. We don't
Utazagaruka mu kazi ka MI6 niko twumvikanye.
mess with yours.
kandi nukaza mukatubangamira natwe
Told you then.
we shall mess with yours. Natwe tuzakubangamira mu kazi niko twakubwiye.
You try to get back in the game.
Washatse kugaruka mu kazi
I take you out.
na nkukuramo.
Now, did she mention the files?
Uriya mukobwa w'umunye Ukraine files yazivuze hiki?
It's 12 years ago, Trevor.
Umva Trevor aciye imyaka 12 bya file narabivuyemo.
Why the fuck are you bringing it up now?
Kuki ubingaruyemo?
No, we know what happened. The Russians got the files.
Simbizi n'abarusiya bari babonye files.
Mission not accomplished.
Mission ntabwo yanarangiye.
Well, the reality turns out to be a bit more complicated than that.
Ata ahubwo bisa nk'ibintu bitasobanutse neza kurushaho.
Please enlighten me.
Mbasobanurira neza. Bamuhereza ifoto.
We're all worried about your health, Martin.
Martin twita ku buzima bw'abantu.
What's that supposed to mean?
Ushatse kuvuga iki?
They will find you.
Bazakubona.
To Hilton yesterday morning.
Uwo ni Hilton yari mugeze mwarakoranaga ejo mu gitondo nibwo bamwishe.
He was less fortunate than you.
Aba yari indwanyi nkawe.
Who is he?
Ari he? Ninde uri kubita yirukanga.
Got too close to her.
Komeza wegerera mukobwa cyane. Uramenya abarusiya naho ko bari kuguhiga.
They nabbed him by surprise.
Naye baramutunguye namenye n'uburyo yishwe.
Stakes have gone up, Martin. The Russians have repeatedly used nerve agent in the UK. Now they've done it on our
Abarusiya bongeye kuzamya ibintu muri UK ushatse nawe wagenda gake.
as well. We consider this an act of war.
Ibi twabifata nk'igikorwa cyo gutangiza intambara. Act of war.
Work with us, Martin. We'll protect you.
Homura Martin, dukorana natwe tuzakurinda.
Otherwise,
Cyangwa se bitabaye ibyo.
you could end up with a new smile too.
Cyangwa utangiye kumwenyurana bundi buke n'ibindi bigucanga. Papa,
Please, back to bed, please.
mwana wanjye Liz subira mu buriri.
Back to bed.
Jya mu buriri.
Lisa,
Lisa. Kaza kwase.
last time I saw you, you were wearing a poopy type.
Mwana ameruka kumureba rwose yambaye pampa.
Need to go back to
Papa
bed.
kuryama byananiye.
That's where you are again.
Mwana ngenda uryame.
Some daughter you got there.
Mfite umwana rwose.
She's grown up fast.
Arimo arakura vuba.
Just like her mother.
Asa nka mama we.
I look like myself.
Nge ndisa ntago nsa na mama. Banza gatanazi nyina.
Listen, Martin,
Umva Martin.
I get you don't give a rat's ass about the Russians.
Banza utita ku barusi ibyo nikubwira.
Fine, but you realize those files
Gusa izo files barimo barashaka nawe urazizi.
probably exposed the scumbag who betrayed us in Kiev.
Uribuka byatugambaniye muri Kiev ko byageze muri Ukraine. Izo files barashaka barazishaka.
Network. I promise you, he will face a firing squad.
Niba aramukandi bakwiyongoje barazana firing squad. Baragwitana nabi.
Don't you want to know who's responsible for her mother's death?
Ese ntago ushaka kumenya umuntu wishe mama w'uyu mwana. Akana karabyuka.
Mother was in an accident.
Mama se ntago yishwe na accident.
An accident?
Accident, Trevor.
Car accident.
Iyo gonguranye n'imodoka.
You didn't tell her?
Ntago wabwiye umwana wawe.
Right, that's enough.
Umva birahagije umwana ajya kumubwira ibya nyina. Kana karivumbura. Liz.
Think about the traitor, Martin.
Mane Martin tekereza uwishe umugore wawe.
When you just love to encourage his disappearance.
Ahubwo shyiremo imbaraga kugira nawe tumukure mu nzira.
Oh, I'm out now. Fuck off.
Navuye muri akazi mumve imbere musohoke mwende.
If there's ever anything you'd like to share with me,
Niba hari icyo ushaka kunsangiza.
find me.
Uzaho kunsanga tu.
Again, Martin.
Ahubwo ngiza kongera kubona Martin. Witekerezeho. Nawe yakoreraga MI6 ava mu kazi karacyamukurikirana. Kana karaje karahera se yarakabeje ko nyina agonzwe n'imodoka. Reese.
Tell you.
Mwana wanjye mbabari. Naye ngiye kubwira.
Please, honey, just
Mukundwa umva.
listen to me, please.
Nyumva shiri.
You lied.
Warambeshye papa.
I was gonna tell you when you were wrong.
Nashatse kubwira nomara gukura.
Go away.
Genda.
Me alone.
Ndeka njyenyine. Sheri mukundwa. Mwana wanjye.
You lied to me.
Kuki wambeshye? Warambeshye. Ugabo hano sasa akazi bakoramo n'indyango rye. Ibintu ngore mu butase gutya bw'igihugu. Kuba uri wanted da. None akarusho waranamenyekanye. Igihugu cyose ugiyemo icyamuzanye nta kindi yazanywe n'akazi. Ubukekwa ni akazi ukora ku ibanga. Wenda nabo mukorana kandi n'uwo mukorana naye nabo amenya amakuru ya misiyo uriho. Tereka vande wenda mukuru wagutuminye. urugana gusezerana ribuka madamu ntabwo nkwizera urukundo zari zihari hey madamu yitwaga Oroga hakuno madamu nimba rero barashe wa munsi film itangira bana YouTube twe sasa hakuno umugenzi washinzwe kurwanya terrorism muri Amerika nabo bashyushye counter terrorism bakira ibyangusha amapasiporo hafi aho mafaranga utwayabitse bu telefoni mwanange pakira ibyangusha ngo tugomba kuvana nawe turimuka papa kuki tugomba kwimuka ariko papa kora ibyo nkubwiye
I don't want to leave.
ntabwo ushaka kuvana
Stay here.
ushaka kuguma hano
Why is it always about
kuki ntabwo mburana nawe wakane pakira pakira imyenda yawe kabwira n'abakana hargiye batari ngombwa gusobanura umwana nahoze ndi maneko nahoze nkora ubutasi bw'igihugu kabona kumubwira ibyo n'umkwangiza umwanya kamukangamo gake ugabafata igikapu zana mu modoka nyuma ye baramukoma tayari kweye kabunda mudamu atangira kumupimiraho aramanitse mudamu yitonze avayo kazi ni indyankurye
Сюда его.
Boga ikirusiya mumuzane sha kato yamushyira hasi bamubwiye ngo abaruse ntibakwifatira izo fayiro uzazishaka ku ngufu sinzi zirimo iki n'ibyandiko
Wonderful.
byiza cyane
Perfect profile for a secret agent.
yewe rwose ufite profile nziza yo gukora mu ibanga secret agent mudamu yitonze banza kongeza amafege navuga akura igipapiye korashyira murya muhereze fege maze urumva tori fege ibyo wigira kwa gasuzuguro karashira
All right, slow down.
genda gake
Okay.
genda gake
Whatever you want to know.
icyo ushaka kumenya
The
cyose
files.
ndashaka ibyandiko. I want the files.
Files.
izihe files uravuga ibiki
What files?
izihe files yewe data wenyu no kuga
No, what files?
izihe files urazimenya bakubaza bana bahondagura intoki barazigorora
Fuck.
mwanda
Where does she hide them?
uriya mukobwa ibyandiko yabishe
You've got the fucking files. I saw
azi ibyo byandiko mubwira
shoulder bag with my own fucking eyes.
barandaje barasana umuntu atwara igikapu
You're the files.
sinzi aho biri
No, no.
hoya
No, no. Fuck.
uravuga ashaka files umukobwa yazibitse
Fuck.
mwanda
Maybe this? refreshes your memory.
wende bingiye kwereka biratuma utangira gutekereza neza. Amwereka muri tablet agakobwa ke bagashimusi. Kalis. Turashaka files katubwa aho nuza ziri. Gutes.
Okay.
Sawa.
Okay.
Sawa sawa.
Sasha knows where the files are.
Sasha wa mukobwa azaho files ziri.
I can get them for you.
Wenda namuneka nkazibashakira.
She thinks I'm a journalist.
Arabizi acheko ndo umunyamakuru.
I used to work with her father.
Nta nubwo ziri mpamvu nakoranaga nase.
You know that, right?
Ibyo murabizi sibyo?
I can get you the files.
Sawa ndabashakira files zanyu.
You will get them.
Urazizana cyane. Ibyo birahagije. Yitonze. Avugira hakuno ari fandi mukuru bavugana.
Файлы и журналистка.
Arajugunya mu Kirusiya.
I want the files and the reporter.
Ndashaka files n'umunyamakuru. Ariwe Sasha.
Dead or alive.
Yaba ari umupfu cyangwa ari muzima.
I don't care.
Je don't care ntacyo bintwaye.
4 hours.
Ufite amasaha 20 ntabwo ni umunsi umwe. Kanangabanaga hakuno muri kaburimbo. No kibazi ivunye ko ari ebyiri. Aza hakuno mu kamodoka ke. Amwajyana mu ijob. Tangira kubona musimu wa madame inyuma. Ntago uzabivamo sezeranya. Tangira kubona ibidahari. Kumbe imodoka ye bakizaho ka GPS kamukuru ahantu hose agiye. Bamuri inyuma nabo barakurikira. Seta burenge. Sasa agakobwa barahurira he. Tanazi niyo kari. Mudamara. Nakana. Kana karajundamye ntacyo kazi ni kazi bivane bigana. Lisa.
Your father is collecting a present for me.
Gose iso hari Imana agiye kunzanira.
If you are nice,
niba uri umwana mwiza,
we will be nice.
natwe turakubera abantu beza. Buri hari umuntu ushaka afite ikibazo n'umubyeyi wawe, yahura n'umwana si umwana turapfiki. Bakibanira neza.
You can order all candy.
Watumiza amabombo, chips, fanta, ikintu cyose urumva ushaka.
I want a berry smoothie.
Ndashaka berry smoothie.
Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries.
Agatangira gutanga amakomande.
Spinach.
Принеси ей ягодный смузи.
Avuga mu cyusi ibyo bazanira kana.
Do you like cartoons?
Ukunda za katuni. Mudamu rwose nta mutima mu bikukana nta kibazo bafitanye. Nubwo avuye guhonagura intoki zase kazivuna ngo ariko nta kibazo cyakana. Tayari. Hano.
He's just parked at Shaftesbury Avenue, Soho, Maximilian Club.
Amabwata arimo aragenda ashakamo abantu. Hano umusore yose agiye nawe arimo arakurikirana. Yinjira muri bwate.
He's in.
Arinjiye.
Go check it out.
Sagenda umurebe. Utavamo. Kumbe nawe yarabizwe yakurikiwe. Nenda abwiraga ko nasohotse. Ndani. Haraho yaje. Baramukurikirana Yesu umuhanga afashe cyamukurikira agati mbwira abo abwiraga ko ninjiye muri bwate. Niba kimuha amakuru nembaza. Yewe.
Maximum around?
Asaga maximum around.
Rosasko.
Uri mu ndubaza.
Tell him Bully Boy's here to see him.
Ubwira ngo Bully Boy. Ari hano kugira ngo bahuri. Undi mukire.
Wow, Bully Boy.
Bite Bully Boy.
Have a seat.
Icharira.
Cognac?
I'm good.
Uranywa irikeri unatimeze neza.
So, what brings you down here in the middle of the night?
Ngambwira iki kugenza mu ijoro hano niki? Muri aya masaha.
We okay to talk business?
ubu twaba turi bimeze neza tuburyo twavuga business.
Yeah, sure.
Cyane ngira icyo ushaka komeza.
I got a fight coming up with this Armenian guy.
Hari umurwano watangiye.
And the funny thing is that the Russians are talking about
bashaka umunye Armenia.
The Armenian guy kicking the bucket during the bout.
Ahubwo na umunye Armenia wapfuye kandi yishwe n'abarusiya. Nshaka kugira icyo bimbwira.
Bucket kicking.
Bucket kicking.
Like you mean?
Uravuga ngo
die.
Yapfuye. Umunye Armenia bishi abarusiya.
There's a girl mixed up in this as well. Ukrainian girl, blonde hair, phoenix tattoo.
Ndashaka ahubwo naje umukobwa w'umunye Ukraine ufite umusatsi wa blonde.
On her neck.
Ufite tatuage ya phoenix hano ku ijosi. Hari cyo umuziho.
Why should I know about her?
Use uwo mukobwa nabanja kumushaka amakuru umushaka yiki.
Well, because I found this.
Hari cyo nabonye uwo mukobwa yari afite mu ikofi. Kugira gutya. Ikarita business card y'uyu mugabo yari ifite n'umukobwa.
So?
So
None.
I think it's about time he quit the bullshit, Maxim, don't you?
Ndashaka mwana tuvana ibintu by'umwana nabyo. Mukobwa ari.
I don't like your tone.
Nta kundi buryo uvuga musore. Ubu ntangiye kuvuga neza.
Sit down.
Mwitare abakobwa mwe.
How the fuck did you get that in here?
Aho ndiyo munaje gute muri bwate yanjye.
Came to see you, didn't she?
Na iyi mukobwa yaje kureba sibyo?
That's how she found me.
Uko yaje kureba nanjye ko nanjye yambonye.
You are a dead man walking.
Mwana uri umupfugenda, you are dead man walking. Uri umurambo wigendera. Kuramo telefoni yawe. Mereza phone yawe.
Can phone out. I'm not going to ask you again, do it?
Simbi kubaza ahubwo ndakuraza mereza telefoni yawe. Mereza isimu yawe. Umugabo akandakuro ka buto munsi y'imeza banza huruje. Ka alarm. Baba unsa tayari agitega umupagasi kiramwivugana naragiye tayari telefone yashaka y'umugabo arayitangirana uyu nawe boy kanajya heza nase ndore basasi ndani baze ndore hey filimi dawa mapagasi sasu njimbere pima nabi nawe gusoza pita supidi je data we soka muri bwata ci inyuma natangira cha mu mujyi rwagati yinja muri kabaranga ari yiwe.
He's in close but can't get a punch in.
Sasa hakuna kana katangiye kureba boxing karabikunda ibintu byo kurwana.
Ties his opponent's arms and pushes him back at the same time.
Erega nawe igiye kureba umuntu ibutsinde hari ahantu birebera.
On the ropes.
No muryo aba rwose ataragwana adahunga imigozi.
Especially Sean Spence.
Uzare umurwanyi twa Sean Spence. Kana kazi n'indwanyi. Chemeka telefone hakuno. Tangira kuraga ko gakaba gari nimero yakamaze kuyibona.
You think this Smoking Joe will win?
Nasa Smoking Joe uracheka ari butsinde.
Oh yeah.
Cyane.
I put cash on it.
Yera amushetera.
30 odds at least.
Irongera kuri 30 ariko yatsinda.
Guys.
Uratabikoze se.
That hurt.
Birabaza.
What did I tell you?
Nagwera iki?
Put money on.
Iyo bafite amafaranga mu sheti. Kana karaha.
You put money?
Usheta amafaranga urusimbi. Mudamu yarumiwe. Kana mugenzi ke byara akababaje ko na se. Anu yagiye afata buru wakeka wese ahambira. Aza mu kindi cya apartment. Ingufuri setsa arayisetsa. Kugera hano. Yinjiye. Adushe. Iri ne persone pa nta muntu uriyo. Kugendera ubusa. Kasasha nakabona. Nyuma ye. Ehangane.
Help you.
Ndi hano kugufasha.
Your father was my friend.
Musari inshuti yanjye.
Let the same thing happen to you.
Ncenyene nako shaka ibyabaye kuri sona byakubaho.
Me phone.
Ba telefone yawe. Kubera.
How do you think I found you?
Iyo telefone yatumye menya ahantu herereye. Arayimena.
Safe.
Fataka iyi niyo yizewe.
You do know what we're up against, right?
ntabwo uzi ibyo uhanganye nabyo.
They don't scare me.
Ntabwo bakinkanga. Kiyagazeho.
We want those files published.
Ndashaka ziriya files kuzishyira ku karubanda. Ni akanyamakuru kazi. Bintu Uburusiya bwari muri nibyo nshaka kwama gushyira ku karubanda. Nshaka kwihorera.
And all the others.
N'abandi bose bari hanze baye mu kidata nabo batabazi.
I found his logbook.
Nabonye igitabo cye.
She was about a meeting with a woman he called Red Star.
Yari afite gahunda yo kujya guhura n'umudamu witwaga Red Star.
Red Star had collected evidence of a chemical weapons program.
Ati Red Star amaze kubona amakuru y'ibisasu bya kirimusi cyangwa se chemical weapons, ibisasu byo mu bwoko buri chimique, abarusiya barimo program yo kubikora.
She had gotten a hold of the formula from
Yari afite na formula yagomba guha umuntu witwaga Novichok.
She even had samples of it.
Yari afite na sample.
Your father didn't tell me that.
Ibyo ntabwo so ariko yabimbwiye.
Red Star thought it was too risky to bring the files to the meeting. So
Red Star yari afite ubwoba bwo kuba yaza mu nama.
put them in a bank.
Arangije afata izo nzandiko zose azishyira muri banki.
She put them in a bank.
Yabishyize muri banki ibyo byandiko.
Yes.
Cyane.
Where is this bank?
Iyo banki se yabiriye Sasha.
I'm the only one who knows.
Umuntu uhazi n'umwe. Njye nyenyine.
The address of the bank was in his logbook.
Ati kandi ikindi address z'iyo banki zari muri logbook y'uwo mudamu.
I burned it.
Ariko na icyo gitabo nagitwitse maze kumenya ko address yariyo. Atangira kwibuka. Umunsi barasa ise w'uyu mukobwa na Red Star. Agera akandiko yari abahaye.
Very smart.
Byiza cyane.
I need your help to get the code.
Ahubwo nyene ntuza ubufasha bwawe kugira ngo mbone code. Code singura ku foro yawe yabitse iki ayo mabanga. Ariko banki yo ndayizi. Kumbe hano araho yaje. Bana imfunguzo nta gukinguza neza.
Fuck's sake.
Binekira
While on duty.
wowe wazize iki? Kumbe arabo yabanje gutera. Maniga baramuhamagara.
Let it ring.
Yireke komeza isoni.
Turn around. Don't you look.
Hindukira aho ntunandebe.
Let me see your hands.
Come on, agana amaboko yawe.
Who are you?
Urindi.
Don't you worry about
Byo
that.
ntubigire ikibazo.
Log into the CIA system.
Injira muri system ya CIA.
We're just a trading
Ariko ko turi company
I don't know
y'ubucuruzi.
what you think.
Look, you don't want me to.
Uracheka nazo uri warwana we.
It's nice. Monitor. I do as you.
Wowe ndabizi kuri hack. Injira muri system ya CIA. Hackinga CIA. Gishyiraho ijisho. Kinjira muri system.
Whoa.
Baretse urakora ibiki?
I know your game.
Ndabizi imikino yawe.
You got a real password and a fake one.
Shyiramo password ya nyayo atari ya fake.
Yes, something.
Cyangwa se isasu rice mu mutwe wawe. Shyiramo ya nyayo gisiba ibya mbere. Shyiramo password yinjira muri nuza za CIA.
Operation Red Star.
Usacinga operation yitwaga Red Star.
See everything you got.
Unyereka amakuru iyo operation icyo amakuru CIA ifite. Kureba muri operation n'uyu musore arimo Martin.
Keep going. 12 years ago, Kiev.
Jya mu makuru y'imyaka 12 ashize muri Kiev. Amakuru CIA ifite. Atangira kubona ari kumwe na muzehe Igoro. Bari muri Kiev, muri Ukraine. Uyu musore kumwe na madamu. Nawe se yamugendagaho. Tangira kubona ahantu barasiwe. Na Red Star murasa.
There's a handwritten note.
Uzikaninga neza akaboko. Mukobwa kirabona ari n'imodoka iparika. Telefoni.
Evan just pulled up outside.
Umva ari imodoka iparitse hanze.
Guns.
Hari abagabo bagiye kwinjira bafite imbunda. Kuri kamera barimo barabareba.
It's encrypted. I don't have access.
Ya na access mfite irafunze.
Print it.
Printing ibyo papuro, printing ibyo foto. Printing anagenda mbyigeho. Kumbe abandi baje.
Is it printed or not?
Printing anona ndaje boss ndaje. Sasa makuru mudamu yari afite yandi za file birimo. Ni chemical weapons abarusiya bari barimo barakora ashaka kuzishyira kwa rubanda. Bicwa batari publishing. Kuko arashaka gusoza ibyo se yaratangiye. Nawe yari umunyamakuru.
On the back wall.
Umuryango we bangure duce inyuma.
Where is it?
Escape route. Bano nabo baje. Buriya bahaka usanga korera ahantu mu gihege ni hasa nabi utanaceka. Nta haka wasanga ari mu nzu nzima never. Babaza akazi bakora. Martin. bitonze.
What's going on?
Nibiki bijambere.
Got a hostage here.
Hano mfite imbohe.
Martin, let's talk about this, shall we?
Martin, reka tubiganire usibyo.
Come on, if you have a gun, just put it down.
Nimbona afite nimbona ishyira hasi.
Hear me?
Hatagira umuntu ukomereka. Martin. Asubiza.
Martin, I'm coming in.
Martin ndaje wana. Avayo. Mushuti Trevor. Kugera ha.
Down. Let's go.
Mwana muya babiri mucaha muje mujahasi. Bandi binjira aho yasohokeye. Bashaka nigagiye kare. Dani mu kizu. Kugera hano asohoka yitonze nk'umunyabwenge yahakingwe yibika mu kabati aguruka witonze ereza imbunda natindamo mbunda icyo gikoresho gusa yitwaza yitsimba hakuno ko twumva boss aguyera bagabo baragigira bagabo nta n'umwe wumva kamwihambiraho bya nyabyo tayari bagabo nta n'umwe wumva mugeri bagabo nta n'umwe uva kwizima kagabo kamubereye ibamba kamubereye amenyo ya ruguru kagabo ni koroshe ni kumva barahuragurana nawe kava kwizima nako Scotty byanze maze ndore agafata agatera umunigo karamwirenza parika nabi paka hakuno igice cya mbere kirarangiye bajya muri turu ya kabiri na match tagira ibice round ya kabiri bya nyabyo agabo karamufata
Jig's up, Martin.
Martin rekeragezo niyumva nisunika bata mu kirahure tayari paka hasi babarika nabi Martin nawe yumva nabi maze ndore umugabo urahari yahura tayari kagabo kari kamwambiriyeho pakageze hasi hagurutse Trevor kujyana n'abasirikare bandi yacitse kare ko watinze twara funga umunwa kaza karabaza ubusa baratangira kujyana umupagasi we yakarenze kare baragasi ibirayi kamwihambiriyeho birangira gapfuye bwatinze tugaruka muri Russia Moscow Kremlin abarusiya bataye umutwe bazikoze na file aho zigira ku karubanda
Прошло 10 часов.
Tangira kuvuga ikirusiya Fande mukuru ni utanga amabwiriza
Да, я все выполню.
Ibyandiko bingeraho ndabamenyesha
You're telling me MI6, CIA, they're all after us?
Ase umva nkubaze ko ndeba MI6 CIA bose ari kudukurikirana ikibazo niki
It's not gonna make it, son.
umva ibyo ntabwo bindeba sasa umugabo ura nta hantu ho gutura no kujya gushaka ikizu gishaje ukitsimbamo urwandiko Red Star bamurasha afite nirwo ashaka kubanza kumenya code fungura vault ni iyi
You're not like any reporter I've ever met.
hako nta gusa nk'umunyamakuru wa leta hawo kazi kuko gutabara abaturage nicyo nshoboye niyo mpamvu nakoranaga naso kako karahana agatesi bari mukanya baramweza akavido k'umukobwa we kureba neza igipapuro umusore ya printinze yagiye printing ibintu bitagaragara neza kibazo cyariko
changed the encryption.
Uburyo yagiye printinze ntabwo kinagaragara neza akiraho amamodoka aracyaparika ibazo nawe MI6 ubutasi bw'abongereza CIA bw'abanyamerika bose bari kagabo kamwe Martin
Surrounded.
wazengurutswe
Now with your hands above your head.
amaboko tuyabona bitabaye ibyo turakoresha imbaraga
Final warning, Martin.
gasopo ya nyuma Martin avaye yamanitse amaboko
Good. Very good.
yeza cyane koze neza
Forward.
egera imbere move forward kwegera imbere
Slowly.
witonze gake gake sasa baje amufatiye imbunda wa mukobwa Sasha
Guns down.
bwira abagabo babashyira imbunda hasi
Do as I say or I'll kill you.
kora ibyo mvuga cyangwa mwice
Else you're looking for. I'm in the bank.
ibyandiko urimo urashaka files ziri muri banki
Martin has the code to the wall
Martin afite code ifungura ntuza volte na cyangwa se kufure foro
on his head.
kandi muri ku mutwe
He's the only one who knows it.
ati ni uzi iyo code ifungura volte
Now you tell me.
none hitamo
Shall I blow his brains out?
mena ubwonko bwe cyangwa
My heart there, Sasha.
Sasha ntabwo rwose wankanga
Am I?
kandi ikindi
Take Trevor.
Trevor bikore ushyire imbunda hasi
Tell them to put their guns down.
babwire bashyire imbunda hasi
Now.
nona
Come on. Please.
ndakwinginze ukobwa bana ntibumva n'ubundi we n'umwiyambirizi
I'm the only one who knows the location of the bank.
sasa umugabo wabonye ko banze kwemera ko gifite code usibye n'ikindi cya kabiri nijye uzi aho banki iri
Calm down.
tuza muko ndirasa nijye uzi aho banki iri sasa hanze ntabwo ari nk'inaha bafite ububanki bubiri butatu usanga ari banki y'isibo impuzasibo amabanki nk'ijana mu gace kamwe kumenya banki umudamu yahishemo amabanga y'uburusi buryo abakora ibisasu bya kirimbuzi n'uyu mukobwa uzi banki yariyo ndirasa amabanga ajye hanze cyangwa burire rimwe
Okay.
baretse rimwe bo ngaho twumvikane ntacyo twumvikane amamanura imbunda sasa abarusiya baratuza ari uko uyu mukobwa abahaye files zigeze muri UN nabo baraburize batambuka bitonze nta na gahunda yo kwirasa kari gafite
Told you. He wants those files more than anything.
turashaka ziriya files uko byagenda kose nakuno sasa hakaye bamurakare wakigoryiwe kanguka
What did he want?
gashakaga iki
You guys seem to know each other pretty well.
bisa nkaho we n'abandi bagabo mwese mwari muziranye onde
This is me, Martin.
mwenyine ya mikino Martin
Talking about.
ibyo mwavugaga byose nabyumvaga bafungura hakuno
You said it was a
mashini
handwritten note.
ibyo ari byo byose karakane ko kari kandikishijwe intoki
Yellow paper.
kari agapapuro k'umutuku k'umuhondo
I could only print the encrypted version.
ntabwo namuhaye encrypted version agapapuro kagaragara neza
I'm sure you got a lot of questions, Sasha.
umva muko urimo urambaza ibibazo byinshi kandi ibibazo twese turabihuje
The encryption last updated.
no amezi atandatu ariko kwingupitinga ryari mashini amezi atandatu ashize
Doesn't have what he was looking for.
mbanza ibyo yashaka atabibonye
Look, believe me, I'm as scared as you are.
umva mukonyiza nawe mfite ubwoba nkawe njye nta bwoba mfite
Did anyone ever follow up on this?
hari umuntu ugeze akurikirana ibi ngibi
But the number's not registered to any network.
iyi namba uburyo nako iyi fayiro uburyo isevinze ntabwo namba iri registered kuri network ntabwo wapfa kubona ibiriho
Hey, mate. Fancy a joyride?
boya mukomeze muryoherwe no gutwara kumbe dore ya mbare bashakaga ifungura vault kufure foro
Print it out.
gapurintinga witonze
What do we do now?
none dukora iki
Got a credit card?
Yes.
ufite credit card cyane
Get it out.
yivaneyo
Time to set it.
fata imbunda kuraho ibikumwe arayinaga tujye dupanga agatego
It's got the code to the vault. So let's
Trevor byanga byakunda afite code za vault
to the honeypot.
araza gushyira ajya kuri banki
Give me status.
mereza status ari hafi aho bavayo bose barimo barashaka agabo kamwe Martin niwe kibazo
We've lost them.
Twamubuze. Sasa kugira ngo bamenye banki nuko baba bafite kariya gakobwa ka Sasha kandi kacitse. Gonga umuntu hano kuri airport ku kibuga cy'indege. Hangane madam.
Where I was going, was I?
Ihangane rwose ntabwo ari nangemeje kugonga. Sasha nawe ari hakuno.
It's British.
Passport nibye ni yabongereza. Genda ugerageze uhindure use nkanyiri passport abari koresha wambuka.
We got a hit.
Arebyo mbonye hakuno.
Just booked 2 tickets to Moscow.
Sasha yafashe itike y'indege imujyana muri Moscow.
The hotel in the city center.
Hotel bari buruhukireho iri mu hagati.
They're not going to Moscow.
Ntago bajya muri Moscow nabo sabaswa. Martin Nice umuswa itajya muri Moscow azi yuko barusana bamushaka.
Within a 100-mile radius for a passenger named
Aho intambara yabereye ushaka miles zitarenga ijana. Ikibuga cy'indege kiri aho ngaho ushake Sasha Stepanenko nimba yakatije itike y'indege cyangwa gari ya moshi.
Think he traveled under his own name.
Ntabwo bapfa kugendera ku mazina ye. Boretse gato.
Me all the security camera footage from.
Nkuru za kamera zose ziri hafi n'imbuga by'indege biri hano mu Bwongereza. Tugende turi amashusho yabyo. Kumbe hano wa mu Rusiya kazi. Akana agafashe neza nkake. Kana naco bapfa niba safitanye ibibazo.
Really yours?
Akantu ko ari keza nakawe. Navuga gakomo. Mudabo navuga menshi. Kana karajunjama. Sasa bageze hakuno Sasha bya bisatsi agenda kaboha. Bitatu waje atangira kubisiba. Passport agiye kugenderaho ni y'Umwongereza kandi no muri Ukraine.
Has developed in the past. It's one of a group of nerve agents known as Novichok.
I hope you have a good news for me.
Ndakeka ko mfite amakuru meza.
Files though.
Umva files ndazifite. Ahubwo ndacyanyere igihe kindi kirenze.
Listen, if you're trying to trick me.
Nugerageza kunzana aho bugoryi. Ni Tatiana.
You understand me?
Uranyumva neza uko biri bugende.
Don't trick anyone here, okay?
Files are in Kiev.
Ibi ibyandiko mushaka biri muri Kiev muri Ukraine. Sasha ni ugiye kunjana aho biri. Turi hafi yo kugerayo.
How do I know this?
Nabyemera gute ko ariko kuri.
But do you want the files or not?
Urashaka files cyane azushaka. Mudamu na yashimusa kana ke. Banzu suhuze so. Akana ni kazi impamvu uyu mudamu agafite kazi kari nka mwene wabo. Bite mukundwa. Meze neza.
How you doing?
Mezute.
Okay, I guess.
Papa meze neza.
Having a pedicure.
Bari kunkorera inzara.
Come. That's enough.
Uraza birahagije.
I want to speak to him more.
Ndashaka kuvugana na papa.
Disney.
Arankumbuye. Yamaze. Urudamu rugwica ndakana kazi kari umuntu mwiza.
He does.
Naho kazi ko sari kazi k'indyankurye.
You have no children, do you?
Hasi ufite abana. Ko nta mutima ugira.
If you were a mother, you wouldn't do this.
Iyo buri umubyeyi ntabwo wakabaye nkorera nk'ibi.
You think you know me?
Warakeye kuzi wacyana we. Mudamu atangira guhinduka. Kana kararyama.
So bet they'd hate you.
Iyo afite n'abana bakabaye bakwanga. Nta mubyeyi ubwira gutyo umuntu w'umwana.
You think you are an intelligent girl?
Wakana ucyaka ufite ubwenge kurusha abantu baraha.
Good. Let me tell you a story about your father and your mother.
Ubundi kamubwire wakubwira inkuru ya so na nyoko. Nikazi nyina ishaka guye ko yishwe n'imodoka. Uzi byo so yakoze?
Your father told her he was a journalist.
Iso yabeshye nyoko ko yari umunyamakuru.
He pretended to love her.
Yigize nk'akunda nyoko.
But he was really spoiled.
Usibye ko so yari maneko.
So my question is intelligent.
Ikibazo ni kimwe wa mukobwa wigira umuhanga.
What are you for him?
Kuki iso utamaza witonze impamvu uko nyako yapfuye. Hana accident cyangwa?
For cover.
Bamaneko abari abadahamana yakwica umugore akavuga buryo cy'umugore yapfiriye mu manuka.
I was born out of love, he told.
Navutse kugurukundo papa yakundaga mama wamaze ibyo nibihago bitureba.
Late for the fight.
Indege ahubwo iraza kudusiga.
Bingo, they're on a flight to Kiev.
Bashaka bagiye muri Kiev, muri Ukraine.
All right.
Kuri airport barabascanning ngani foto yabo barayibona. Fata indege barerekera.
Ask for Colonel Zelenko. Send him that picture.
Ati amagara Colonel Zelenko umenye umuhereza amafoto. Mubwire ngaho bagera muri Kiev ku kibuga cy'indege. Abacunga kirikare. Indege barerekera. Tayari. Banko bakageze muri Kiev kuri airport.
Вітаю.
Brazil, airport, Kiev, Ukraine. kumbe hana ababaneka nabo barahari bivuze ngo bajya hose barabakurikirana bitonze Kiev Airport. Yeah. Virus zabaye indyankurye mete nyango ekenye tayari bageze muri Ukraine ntago biramera neza bageze hano aho bakodesheje kurara batabagiye wabo umukobwa
Something wrong?
Ari ikibazo
I haven't been here since he died.
kuva data yapfa sinagarutse muri iyi nzu baje wabo agakobwa ka Sasha inzu yatoye uruhumbu
We ended our chemical weapons program in 19...
sasa hakuno ya chemical program yokorera intwaro za kirimbuzi y'abarusiya Martin ndeba hakuno hari amavideo se yagiye asiga nawe abivugaho nawe yari umunyamakuru ashaka kubishyira kwa rubanda turashaka kuba twamenya ukuri uburusiya nibwo buri gukora ibisasu bya kirimbuzi nka za atomic bombs n'ibindi akenshi amakosa yakira ku banyamerika ariko na Russia nasiyo yoroshye
You remind me of my father.
unyibutsa data mugabo no mudahamba na business yikorera numbaunsa yagiye mu bounce ahunze CIA na MI6 so ari umugabo ufite umutima ukomeye sibye ko nawe yari stubborn yari umunyakavuyo amenda kumera nkawe navugisha ukuri oya ndavugisha umuntu nese kucyo avuye muri Kiev akunda kuvuga amateka ye hari umuntu nabuze hari umuntu yapfushije umugore niyasubiza
She died.
yarapfuye se nashaka imwibutsa umugore we
Never get personal involved.
sasa yari afite umugore akunda kumubwira ati niba uri mu kazi akari kose Martin ikintu cyatuma usubira inyuma cyangwa ugatsindwa misiyo zose waba uriho ntukagire umuntu ubwira ibyawe byose niko umugore yakunda kumubwira misiyo yose ugiyemo mu kazi ujye uvuga bike bitewe n'ibyo ugiye gukora kana kari hakuru umudamu yakabwiye amagambo agashengura umutima ati iso yari maneye ko abeshye nyoko ari umunyamakuru iso akubeshya ko nyoko yapfiriye mu mpanuka akana kajunjanye kandi bari bamanye neza agahahira akagaburira birirwa kuri katuni bareba ako mama byamugendekeye bite
Forget about that.
ibyo byibagirwe sha
No. Tell me, I want to know.
bwira ndashaka kubimenya
I can't tell you.
ntago nakubwira uzabaze so ikishe nyoko
Tell me.
wambwiye ariko karamuhatiriza
She was in dangerous situation.
mama we yari muri situation mbi
Father tried to save her.
Yesu yagerageje kumutabara
She got hit
ariko yaje kuraswa kumurasa cyangwa
by a bullet.
isasu
Who did it?
ninde wabikoze ni papa cyangwa
Did he?
ni papa niwe barasiye mama
It was an accident.
byari impanuka wa mwana we ubwo niba uri umuntu mukuru nawe tubyumva akana ati papa nawe warashe mama toya ati byari impanuka gusa tu ariko ni isasu ryamwishe uyu nawe hakuno ntaryama kaza rero n'indyankurye kasasha nako kigize ngo ni ka debane ngo ibyo data atashyize ku karubanda paka publishing bari muri Kiev tayari siko mbona hasa neza ejo bundi numvaga ngo amasasa ameze nabi ya filime birancanga tayari mukireka zavayo n'akana zikakakara ariyo turufu yo kugira ngo abone za file nawe narangiza yitunire ku barusiya yashaka byose bibone baramuhamagara buri kanya ntaryama ntatuza kuryama ni mu ntebe ntago navuga none namusiga ubutumwa bugufi
Waiting for your call.
Ndi muri Kiev nanjye negeje kumamagara sasa umudamu yateze indege agerayo n'akana ke mwambwiye ko mwinjiye muri Kiev nanjye niho ndi nibwatinze Sasha n'umugabo bagomba kujya he kuri bank tayari
So far, so good.
reba inyuma twahageze agatego nakandi baracyakurikiwe
For this.
uriteguye gakobwa nkarashaka gutamaza uburusiya kabuteze UN bano bafite program yo kwera chemical weapons sibije data ngo nuko ari umunyamakuru ajya kuyashaka nanjye kaze bashire ku karubanda kenja muri bank
Доброго дня. Чим можу допомогти?
baravuga ikinye Ukraine
Свого сейфу.
Ваші документи, будь ласка.
arajugunya atanga passport n'ibyangombwa
Одну хвилинку.
kaze nguhamagarire
Доброго дня, пані Степаненко.
tayari bitonze ukobwa muri bank uyu nawe hakuno
Доброго ранку.
umukobwa bank arayizi neza ariko ikibazo ni code zifungura vault
Доброго ранку, відчиніть нам, будь ласка.
kingura over yakubwe bafite banke nka miliyoni mu gace kamwe barasikaninga binjiye indani banki ikomeye cyane files bagomba guha UN ziraha nuko
Будете номер вашого сейфу?
hano nugomba gushyiramo code kugira ngo
Буду вам заважати.
safe irimo ayo mabanga yanyu mushaka n'ibintu byanyu niba ari zahabu nimba ari diyama nimba ari korota cyangwa gasegereti yifungure barangije begekaho kogwa sigaramo indani
On the left after the security gates.
atangira kurangira amani uri hanze ko byifashe
Looks like the bait works. Stay where you are.
kumbe wa mugabo Trevor yagiye azana ingabo nyinshi
Щось сталося?
baravuga ikinye Ukraine
Секретарію, проведіть мене.
Так, звичайно. Ідіть за мною.
reka nta kibazo namwe mwemererwe kwinjira kumbe manenga nawe yinjiramo abatunguye hagarara sekirite akimunda ku ngufu nagweza arasaka kuno ku muriro hajya uza alarm sasa hano abaturage bahita panikinga bakumva ko byanga byakunda hari ikibazo muri banka tujyana kuri vault ibyandiko bibitse abaturage dore ngo sasa barasohoka hano numenye usohoka n'uwinjiye hakuno kuri vault Trevor n'abandi umukobwa yizemo indani
Чекаємо тут.
tujyemo indani kumbe Trevor n'umuhanga kiraho Trevor narimbizi kuri bupanike yari afite code uyafite agakobwa batazi ngo banka ni iyi agateza umukobwa sasa uyu nawe shyiramo aho ngaho code paka tubonye files abandi ubarase nibagerageza kwinjira banka manager ku ruhande
You to bring it in person, Trevor.
Trevor narimbizi y'ukuri bwiza nawe ubwawe
Punch in the code.
shyiramo code hariya
You give me too much credit.
mwana uwo mfite umwenda ndakurase nta mikino iraho utanza naho santima
Quick trade with the Russians.
urashaka kugurana n'abarusiya se cyangwa
A little revenge on your former employer.
cyangwa ushaka guhorera wahoze ari boss wawe shyiramo coordinates ufungure vault.
Friend, she recruited you to the people's cause.
Tiniwe na girlfriend na wanje kodesha abantu baje guteza ibibazo.
Look, enough of your bullshit. Just
Mwana wimbwira umwanda kingura vuba. Just open it. Yitonze kabati karakinguka. Nta muntu ashaka kwica. Hari ugufata no files ziri butamaza abarusi ugasanga nazo sizo.
Do that if I were you.
Nago nakagafunga iyo mba ni wowe. Wasanga aragatego. Bitekerezo umuko.
Red Star was FSB.
Abari aba FSB nabo nagara bo kwizerwa bana aho ngaho.
You wanted to fuck us over.
Bastekereza kabiri muko.
There's Novichok inside.
Harimo Novichok indani. Ko gafunguye. Sasha.
We good?
Wabibonye? Sasa za chemical weapons abarusiya bari bafite sample ubwo bayifite nukwiteza UN.
Fucking kill him.
Ndamwica cyamusubira inyuma. Binjira indani.
Death warrant, man.
Wisinye warrant y'urupfu.
I have a hard on for you.
Agency yose igiye kurikirana.
Chances. Hey.
Yewe. Sasha uramwizera uyu mugabo?
Like your father did? You know, 12 years.
Mwateka aho ngaho se nyine. Yo kuvuga imyaka 12 nyuma na se uyu mukobwa afata sample ya za chemical weapons arayizamukana tayari. Kugera hano gushaka aho bacikira. Ku nyubako hejuru. Dora abasirikare ngo barimena. Bitonze baca hakuno. Kumanuka vuba vuba. Mugabo arashaka izi sample kujya tabara kana ke umukobwa naye arashaka guhorera se abishyira ku itangazamakuru. Ajya gutamaza abarusiya barasa kuboga ariko ntabyumva. Ashaka gutabara umwana we tayari. Hano nta guhagarara mu mayira. Cana kabiri tike baratangira. Polisi nayo yafatiyeho. Hano ibyo kuvuga ngo ucuruza inyanya ku muhanda bareba. Mukobwa no munya Ukraine arashaka gutamaza bene Putin uburyo bakora chemical weapons ibyo ndio batumva neza. Habura gato. Polisi umumodoka burahendutse nibashaka bagonge muzagura izindi. Baratangira. Hey. Ukraine arasa neza. Ntago ari mwe mu ntambara. Ukobwa arangije asanga umusinzi asindiye ku muhanda vanayo kanyanga.
Scratch.
Nakobotse gato ntabirenze.
Okay.
Ukrainian medicine. Where's there is?
Hano hari umuti w'abanye Ukraine ukimena kanyanga aho bakurashe. Tayari mwambura imbunda. Sasa umukobwa ne nta muntu yizera. Sasa akora ibiki? Nawe uri umwe muri bo.
I can explain.
Nagusobanura. Utava huri.
I'll shoot you.
If you shoot,
wimbeshya na
you need to kill my daughter too.
Umva singubwiza ukuri ni natanga ibibyandiko nanjye bari umwana wanjye.
The Russians have got her.
Abarusiya bamfitiye umwana. Niyo mpamvu ngomba gufata ibibyandiko so yabishije nanjye nkabibahereza.
Don't move.
Utava huri.
You're full of shit.
Nawe uri umuswa gusa. Uri ko kuri. Umva mukoro.
I need those files, okay?
Shaka izo files.
My daughter's life depends on it.
Ubuzima bw'umwana wanjye buri kuri izo file.
I want to expose the people that killed your father, and I get that.
Nanjye rwaye ndashaka gushyira abahanza abishe so.
I really do.
Ndabishaka pe gutamaza bishe so.
But do the ends justify the means?
Ariko n'ubu niyo nabatamaza umwana wanjye n'umupfu. N'icyatuma nkwizeye. Banza wibaze.
Would your father sacrifice the life of a little girl?
Iso yatanga kana gato ngo bakice. Wimwiri data karamuhereza byanyabyo. Umukobwa naye nta muntu yizeye. Umukobwa we misiyo yiwe no kujyanga atamazi iki abishe se. Bamuhora amabanga y'Uburusiya yari afite ya chemical weapons bari mu baracura. Ubu narashaka gutabara kana ke. Sasha nimba agiye kubitanga he? Na akanyamakuru kazi. Kuko arashaka kubishyira kuri televiziyo, YouTube, ahantu nkaho. Buri kanya wewe n'ibibazo. yibuka umugore amubwira ati akazi kose cyangwa misi uzajyamo ntukagire umuntu witeza mukururane cyane umubwire ibyawe byose ujye uvuga rimwe ku ijana buri kanya bamurota iyo uvuze ibyawe byose nibyo bituma kenshi unatsindwa kandi ibyo nibyo tudashaka sheri uruka we n'ibibazo genda byibuka ibyo madamu yamubwiraga nimba kapimye mu gituza telefone iraca vibrating hano Tatiana wamurusha akazi ufite umwana we ego Martin
You have what I want?
ufite ibyo nagusabye cyane kirikiriza
I've got what you want.
ibyo ushaka rwose ndabifite
Files and reporters?
ndashaka izo files n'uriya munyamakuru kazi
I want to talk to Lisa.
ndashaka kuvugana n'umwana wanjye Lisa
Here, talk to your father.
akira so muvugane
Dad.
papa nameze neza afite isasu uraza ryari kuntura ntazi ko biri bukunde ndagukunda mwana wanjye ya magambo y'abapfu
Dad, you sound...
papa ko numva ijwi ryawe ryahindutse kuvuga ibintu nasanzwe numva uvuga buri munsi abagashihura igakurasa mwana ntazibagwe ko ngukunda gusa birirwaga muri gakabwa itoza imbunda papa ko numva usari kumpangayikisha
All right, Martin.
saa Martin uhure saa yine
Funny games.
nta bindi yahindutse kaboko bwa mbere isasu ryamutwitse bamupimye irya nyaryo tayari arazibamba azerekeza ntazi sasha yerekeje ntazi ari bukura akana ke gusa ikidamu cyamubwiye ko cyageze muri Kiev maze ndore ahamagara hakuno umushuti bakoraga muri MI6 mwana ushaka kunyangiriza umunsi
Trevor, I need your help.
Trevor, nkeneye ubufasha bwawe.
Martin Baxter asking.
Martin, urimo uranyaka ubufasha?
This is a treat.
Umva bafitiye umwana. Abarusiya bafitiye umwana Ngelisa kandi baramwica. Saa yine za nijoro baranshaka cyangwa umwana wanjye apfe.
Where's the case?
Case iri. Varisi. Mukobwa ndabyumva ubwo yakugambaniye, sibyo?
Now you want me to help you get it back?
No, nashaka ngufashe kujya wongera umuntu ya Varisi. Da bindi byo gusaba uwimye. Yahoraga bizamuraho ba MI6. Abakatira
deal still on the table.
Ndeboni gahunda ziganira mwicaranye n'umuntu. Niko uko dukina imikino nawe urabizi. Ahubwo mbwira ahantu uri. Martin. Telefone yayikuyeho kare. Arakaza iminsi akaba ari indyankurye. Baguhemba neza ari kuvuga ati ndayarya ejo nanjye ngaruka.
Miss, you got a tracking device installed in
this
vehicle.
Ari rwose nshaka mufashe imashini zanyu. Ari imodoka nagize tracking device. Tegeka naye security genda gace. Shaka kwakinga iyo modoka umbwira ahantu iri.
Alison Jane Tynan.
It parked at пассажирской descent.
Ay, tamubwira address irafi na umuhanda gari ya moshi. Imodoka arabizwe harimo cya tracking device. Arerekera baramugonga se cyarabyumva. Ubuzima bwa kana buri mu byago ngashaka gutabara. Hakuno ni cyari ko se noneho. Baturage ni benshi n'urujya n'uruza rw'abantu. Gize gutya bona ka kobwa gafite imisatsi iri blonde arakurikira. Mwegere kurande ntamuke. Sasha ariko se muri amore kisanga siwe abana imisatsi irasariga yamenya mukura he kureba gutya kabona hakurya gategereje gari ya moshi n'igikapu kabona amaniga ari inyuma yako karatangira ntabyo nguha karambukira nyuma na gari ya moshi umugabo uri afite ibibazo karamanuka karangaye kamanuka ku mesikariye nabi wakagurya agakubita umunigo utanza nahise seme genda gake teteka ntunapfe muri siransiye teteka umbabarire hama hamwe tuze karasinzira barega kadepoza hakuno nayo dukoresha twibanze abona nayo case amen fata ingwanguruzo y'abandi abariyo yiba bakuba ari butabara umwana we.
You've done well, Martin.
wakoze neza Martin.
You've used all your skills to get what we want.
wakoresha ubushobozi bwawe n'ububasha kugira ngo tubone ibyo dushaka kandi nako bagahambiriye hakuno.
Thanks for the reporter.
rwose ndabizi ko ufite santi muri abanyamakuru kazi sibye ko muri abanyamakuru atari ingenzi. uriya niyo yanapfira ku rugamba nabirenze.
Check. Do you hear that?
uranyumva
Testing.
arabanza agafata hakuno agashyira bw'amajwi mu matwi barafata ka video yitonze. icy'ingenzi ni wowe umukobwa wacu na misiyo. buri kanya ahora yibuka amagambo umugore yamubwiraga ndagukunda cyane Martin. hakuno hari aho bapanze guhurira nande na Tatiana. aza nta kesi yitwaje.
I'm not armed.
nta ntwaro nitwaje.
I'm gonna get my phone out of my pocket, okay?
hano nazanye na telefone indi mu mufuka.
Fucking game.
iyo mikino senye shaka.
I'm gonna send you a link.
ndaguha link. sinzi ni yiki.
It's a link to a video stream. Just open it.
ni link ya video stream cyangwa ya video runaka uyifungure. abana video bafashe kasasha.
So in that case,
files ziri muri iyo case.
once Lisa's safe, I'll send you the address.
Meza umwana wanjye Lisa. naye ndaguha address zawo umukobwa namufungiye niyo case afite. nta bindi. mugabo naye si umuswa. yanze kuzana case umuntu atashobora kwitanga bakaramurasa nangana bakakica. uranyumva neza. address ndazigwa ari ukumaye umwana wanjye nawe ari muzima. Sasha.
Я слышала, у тебя...
afite ubwiye kuteri mu matwi. kamera ikari imbere. Okay. kana karaha.
It was a bracelet of my daughter.
ati nanjye agakomo kari ku mwana wanjye nawe mugakunda ndakakwihereye. kavuga iki?
Masha.
yitwaga Masha. nimba nawe yarabuze umwana ntumbaze ukijyanira wa mwana we ntago twabanye nabi.
Now go.
sawa igendere.
Отведи ее.
mwana mumujyane kwa se.
It's all gonna be over soon, sweetheart.
mwana wanjye humura birarangira vuba ndagusezeranye. baramusaka nta kindi nta ntwaro.
On cheers.
gasanga se. adirese
Susquehanna Street, 97.
ababwira umuhanda 95 kuri floor ya mbere. babwira izina rya etage.
Едьте вместе.
bitonze binjira mu modoka bajya kureba kuri etage kuko nimba wakoze iki ababwiye ariho. Apagasi ba mbere baragenda. Kapagasi bakerekeye asigaranye na Bodo Tatiana. Kumbe video ya muhaye na live ya recorded already. Kumbe wa mukobwa na wala hafi. Sasha na wala hari. Batangira kurasa gakobwa. Hey! Kana. Basasa ragasakuriza. Kuma hasi tuzamuka. Tatiana nako Sasha na hafi nawe. Hey, nakabunda. Kamara sibyo mu mbavu. Akamasasa ragashirana.
Она пуста.
Что?
У нее нет патронов.
Ajya gushaka gakobwa. Acecere. Ana ntugire ikibazo hamwe. Gipaka se imwe mu gituza. Kumbe kano bakafashe. Kasashe.
Martin, you know what I want.
Martin uzi icyo nshaka. Business turimo unayijua. Ndashaka case.
I've got it.
Don't do it, Martin.
Martin tabikora byo kuvuga. Izo files goma kuzi publishing kazi ya karubanda. Wezitanga. Yetonze.
No matter what happens to me,
Mwana ngi byamba byose.
you stay here, right?
Gume hano sibyo? Papa hoya. Wigenda.
You stay here.
Gume hano tava mu modoka. Gume hasi gusa.
Dad!
Papa! Zana briefcase. Yako mkobwa agende. Munagire case.
Fucking file. Don't do it!
Arayinaga. Yebuke byamubaye bwa mbere muri Ukraine. Anagaza files. Arongeye arazinaze. Baramuhereza noneho. Byanyabyo. Bwa mbere byamubayeho. Ari kumwe na se w'agakobwa. Sinzi kacira kuri inshuro.
Я сказала на колени.
Kano nako karapfukama.
Передавай своему папа.
Bakira waru warashe umudamu. Kureba neza. Kumbe kuyabinditse yabyukaga gatoza gukoresha imbunda. Akana kivuganye nde? Tatiana. Tayari. Sasa gisigaye sinzi uko se bamugeza kwa muganga. Lizo ameze neza.
We need to get him to a doctor.
Tugomba kumushaka kugira twamujyana kwa muganga. Bakiraho ntibisanzwe abaza birangiye ni ibisanzwe barahagera. Nimba batangira kurasana batumva amasasu. Sasha.
Out the case.
Fat your case.
Slowly.
Kana uzano witonze.
There's no way out, Sasha.
Wacheki Sasha. Kwa fata ya briefcase. Yitonze. Bamurasa mu rutugu. Yinjira amazi. Nta numwe yizera. Sevare ibya kana inzira karengane nase yari yaravuye mu kazi. Uyobora uko bamurashe ibitekerezo nandi babiri. Tangira kubona ageze pfiriya rwa bijojero ari kumwe na madamu. hora yibuka madamu waciye isheni muri rimwe. Tugaruka hakuno sasa. Asaza harazigera ziricuma n'iminsi iricuma. Bisi yazaga. Kana kari muri bisi. Araho kana bakazanye. Mwana zanu ku kigereza. Bano bose baje gusura akana kaziramo. Kugera hakuno hari ukuntu ukora icyaha ukarwara bakuvurira muri gereza. Sara cyari kuri serum. Yensi maze kwihirika. Bite papa? Ni njyewe. Kareba se.
Dad.
Papa. Kira hakuno.
You okay?
Meze neza? Okay. Meze neza nta kibazo.
I'm okay now, see.
Oh, meze neza nta kibazo kongera kubona.
So how are they treating you?
Ifwana barimo aragufata bate?
She makes me soup for lunch.
Atanekera isupu buri munsi. Tangira kumubwira senze uba babana nene bari Sasha bagumanye n'akana.
And a laptop.
Namuguriye televiziyo na laptop.
Yeah. Her daughter Marina lives in Moldova.
Ati hari umwana afite yitwa Marina uba muri Moldova.
Marina's really sweet.
Marina ni umuntu mwiza. Buretse gato.
You bought her a TV.
Waguze televiziyo
and a laptop.
Na laptop.
Where'd you get that kind of?
Amafaranga menshi kucyagwiza wakuye.
You weren't there.
Narayakoreye, warayakoreye.
That Russian lady, she was
uriya mugore wo mu Rusiya
weird.
ntago yari asanzwe.
She was crazy about gambling. But
yakundaga gukina urusimbi akina ibintu bya boxing. Twajyaga dusheta 50-50 ariko ntago yari azi kubetinga ku muntu ngo arebe indwanyi ishoboye kumera.
I ran the numbers and she put the money.
Ati najyaga ashyira imibare wagasheta amafaranga.
Oh, actually.
Tugatsinda tugapasura.
You always wear the clever rest.
Nahe rwose wahoze uri umuhanga kuva na kera. Gera hano. Naragukumbuye. Papa.
Yeah.
Ego.
She told me what really happened to Mom.
Koko wambwije ukuri byabaye kuri mama.
She said she tried to save her.
Bambwiye ko wagerageje kumutabara. Byagenze bite?
An accident.
Byari accident.
I just didn't know how to tell you that.
Mwana wanjye sinzi buryo ki nakubwira ukiri umwana.
I didn't want you to hate me.
Nari mbizi kuzanyanga ne nkubwira ikije nyoko.
It's okay.
Papa nta kibazo.
Very good father, have I?
Ntago nigeze nkubera so mwiza.
I love you.
Papa ndagukunda.
We're a team, remember?
Turi ikipe nye nawe.
We're a team.
Turi ikipe koko. Ese mugenzi bari abakene bakajya kwishinira boxing akana kakabetinga. Isaga sanga ni kamushete kashete yabandi. Mugabo yaje hakuno ku kibuga cy'indege ni Trevor. Hano ngiye kujya. Abona kana kamushuti karaho hafi. Lisa.
You all right?
Meze neza. ikavuga akira hakuno. Arejyane kukamuhaye.
Familiar.
Ese urabona ari bisanzwe sangaho bizi.
Just a copy, the original's in a safe place.
Ati yo ni copy ahubwo copy original irabitswe.
If anything happens to me or my dad,
haramutse hagize ikimbo cyangwa kikaba kuri data,
it'll be sent to all the right people.
Ati ahubwo ibyo bizajya ku bantu banyabo.
I know you'll find a way to get him out of here.
Ndabizi yuko wakora ibishoboka kugira ngo kuri hano data. Akana we nasa ni ikipe uyakorana ngana se muri MI6. Nimba nari umugamba nyakorana n'abarusiya ntumbaze.
I hope you're doing fine.
Kumbe hano Sasha irwa kohereza inzandiko.
Foster mother takes good care of you.
Ati nizere ko mama baguhaye gufata neza.
For saving my life.
Ati nawe warakoze kuntabara.
Inside this envelope you will.
Muri envelope baza kubona amazina. Yaba double agent harimo abakozi benshi bakorera MI6 banakorera CIA.
6 network.
Bagenda ari abagambanyi.
Be careful.
Witonde.
Remember.
Iyo liste nguhaye.
Must behave like.
Harimo ibirura byinshi kandi iyo bana n'ibirura nawe ugomba kwitwara nkabyo. Iyo liste mu gihe uyifite nta muntu wagukanga. Bakorera MI6 bakorera na CIA. Ati ni Sasha ayo makuru ngiye yaguhaye. Ubwo nibwo burinzi ufite. Bwatinze hakuna imyigaragambyo mu baturage iratangira.
Online publication of the files in Russia.
Abarusiya batangiye kwigaragambya kubera yuko leta yabo irimo iragenda ikora iki? Ikora ibisasu bya kirimbuzi. Wa mukobwa Sasha nta kindi yakoze. Yaragiye rwose ajya ku mateleviziyo yo muri Ukraine atangira kubitangaza.
What is your response to that?
If it's a fake news.
Niba ari amakuru ya fake.
Then they permit inspections of a chemical weapons lab.
Kuki bakomeje Abarusiya kudukurikirana izo chemical weapons zatako tubivugaho?
Back in communist times.
Ataracifata nk'abakomunisiti nko mu bihe bya kera.
On opposition activists and journalists.
Ntabwo bashaka umunyamakuru cyangwa umuntu wese wasa nkaho agiye guhangana nabo bashaka kumurimbura hakiri kare.
But this isn't just a Russian problem.
Iki ntabwo ari ikibazo cy'Uburusiya gusa.
The concept of objective truth is being threatened everywhere.
Ahubwo nisa nk'ari Uburusiya bushaka kwigira igihugu cyatera ubwoba buri muntu ahari hose. Niyo mpamvu dushaka ko ibica ku buri kinyamakuru cyose bikaba ari inkuru mpuzamahanga.
Lies will be our history.
Reka wenda tunavuga ko ari n'ukubeshya ariko binatubera amateka. Kana hakuno kahoraga kabwira se ngo akazi ko kurwana nta kazi kakarimo kikundira ishuri iserwa kigisha kurasa akana mugenzi kare kazima mu mutwe kifatira umwanzuro w'iki aho kujya kiga. Dore ibyo kahoraga gasaba se bifunguriye hakuno ka restaurant.
Fashion, isn't it?
Mwana wanjye byambwiraga n'ukuri.
Desk, I mean at the end of the day you're just going to be stuck behind a computer, aren't you?
Nge nzajya mba ni kuri computer papa buri munsi turi kumwe wowe useriva abantu n'indi hariya ku mashini yandika ibyinshi n'ibyasohotse.
Come on, Lise, it's not all about money.
Ntabwo ari amafaranga menshi dukeneye mwana wanjye.
Yeah, you could, and you could also
bashyira aho arindi yaparitse. Nifunguriye hakuno ka restaurant kana kahoraga kabwira se kariya kazi kadahambana ko kwirirwa urwana na amafuti gashaka ko bazafungura restaurant bayifungura hakuno. Sasha nawe nta kundi yagize gutya abo babanye nubwo batacimbuye byiza hamwe burya ngo ibihe wibukiraho umuntu nibibi mwacanyemo. Igikoni cyafunze abona haro abagendereye. Sasha yinjiye mu nzu.
Phoenix na позиции.
Aba bagendaho nabo ntibarashira. Abarusiya baracyabakurikirana. Fandi amenya ko bakiri kumwe. Cha Yesu n'umwami yari yandambiye. Ndakeka nuko igenze yari Sankarada Premier nk'ibisanzwe abagiye mwakoze kuzamura bano ndabakunda cyane cyane nimuci kuzikurikira nimba ifite kabiri yayo mbonye abarusiya bakibagendaho simbizi neza namwe muzayibona ndabakunda cyane kandi mpamvu bakunda murayizi urumva noneho.